Yeah, Doc. I was shaking Fluffy too hard. I think I hurt my neck right there. Right there. Yeah, yeah, right there, right there. Ooh, I think Fluffy neck hurt too. Okay, right there. Ooh!
Okay.
Ihr Blick.
Alles gut? Alles gut? Ja?
Yeah. Thanks, Doc. Yeah, I just need a minor adjustment, Doc. Oh! What the hell? Man! No high five. Let me shake this off, man.